All right, Tony, I would love to know, are you running any ads right now on Google, Instagram, Facebook?
No ads right now. Just trying to post a little bit more on social media. That's about it.
Let me ask you, do you think detailers could grow a business with ads, or it has to be all organic? Like from Google, word of mouth?
They can do both. The ads do help a bit. Like when I was doing ads for the first few months, it was helping a lot, but after a while it kind of got saturated and wasn't as good. I actually got this client from an ad on Instagram.
Oh, this guy right here?
Yeah, he actually found me through Instagram from an ad that popped up on his page. So it did work in the beginning, but after a couple months, it wasn't working as well as it did. And I kind of just stopped doing it because I was just getting a lot of people window shopping. I wasn't making a return on investment basically. So that's why I stopped. And also because I feel like the main reason that happened was Reels came out. And when Reels came out, kind of Instagram was like throwing all their attention into that. So that would pop up a lot more for people. I saw a lot of detailers get really popular from Reels alone. And I'm pretty sure they got a good amount of clients from Reels alone instead of doing like the ads. Now Reels I feel like have died down right now. And now they just came out with Threads, which we just got on there. And I feel like that right now is something that Instagram's gonna make it a little bit easier for the new people that jump on, for it to like grow in a bigger space. Now, I'm not sure if I'll get any work from Threads, but we're on there. Potentially might be able to get more leads from there.
All right, Tony. So, I heard when you promote a lot of ads, and correct me if I'm wrong, you get a lot of lowballers. People who just want the deals. Is that true?
Yeah, yes and no. It's weird because even like the ads that we run, I literally put my pricing on there. I don't hide my prices. I throw them on my highlights. I post them all the time. Even after posting our prices, people would still like try to lowball us. I don't know, they were like expecting a low price, which is weird because our prices are literally like all over social media. We start at $99, basically 100. People would hit us up thinking we charge like 25, 50 bucks, and they just basically wasted our ad spend because as soon as they click on the ad, it's already charging us. It was frustrating because they would click on it, ask, and the pricing was already there, or it at least showed that we started at 99. So it was just like, I don't know, kind of just annoying. That's another reason I kind of stopped it. It was like getting people that didn't really have common sense and wouldn't read the ad. They'd kind of just click on it without looking at the information, and they just go directly to like asking questions instead of reading what the ad had to say, or like what we were offering, or pricing, or anything, or areas we service as well. Advertising platforms are able to put what area you want them to like show that advertisement to, and we would put like the cities that we're in, but for some reason people from like far areas would still get the ad, and then they'd hit us up and we wouldn't be able to service them because they're out of our service area. So it was weird sometimes. I don't know if it was because maybe they visited that city once and Instagram thought that they lived there or something, or I don't know what was going on.
Hey Tony, I remember a while back you actually went hard on Instagram ads. 1 month, $3,000?
Yeah.
Now, a lot of people think, okay, the more money I put into Instagram, the more potential customers I'm gonna get. Is that true?
No, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, so I know you tried it at first. You were getting some customers, and then what happened?
So here's how I remember it. The first time I tried it, I only put in like 500 bucks for the month, and I noticed I got a really good return on investment. I got like a couple clients, like around like 8 clients that I got, and they all booked at least the service that was 100 or more. So I made at least 800 bucks from those 500 that I spent, and I was like, okay, it's doing pretty well. Let me try to put in more money and hopefully be able to get similar results, but just it did not work out the way I thought it would. The first like 2-3 months, I think I was getting like a good amount of clients back, and they were booking like the bigger packages because I was trying to advertise like our correction and coatings and polishing. Like I wasn't trying to really advertise basics, just so it could be a higher ticket sell, and that way I wouldn't need as many, because if I spent $3K, I would need at least 30 people booking our basic package just to make our money back. Whereas if we did like our new vehicle protection package starts at 1,000, I would only need 3 people to book just to make my money back, and everything after that would be profit or better return, the return of the investment. But it didn't work out that way. We made kind of our money back on some months, and some other months we just lost money. The only thing that I could say was positive was I guess we got more eyes on our business, and some people followed some people may hit us up like in the future. They usually don't book like right away. Maybe they'll ask and then they'll forget about it, or just be saving up money, or it's just not urgent for them. They may or may not hit us up in the future.
Do you feel what didn't work was the ad or just the whole platform in general?
I think, like I said, like once Reels popped up, I noticed that it wasn't as good as it was before. I would get more clients from Reels than I would from the content, like the advertisement, and I'd get more views on my Reels than I would on the paid advertisement. So it was like kind of like it's seen as a waste at that point, because I was just getting a lot more free eyes on Reels than I was with the paid ads.
And how do you feel about posting on Instagram? Does it bring you business? Does it just get you views and followers?
So posting on Instagram, like the actual post, I don't notice, like it doesn't really give me followers. Like posting on stories and the actual like post page, it's really, I feel like it's difficult for people to get their like eyes on there. Like I don't really think I pop up on the explore page that much. I feel like what helps out with growing would be the Reels. That kind of like people are just swiping through there endlessly. It's a hit or miss with Reels though. Like we have some videos that get a good amount of views, and then but the majority of them only get like 1,000 to 5,000, which is not really that much, because when I check like the stats on it, most of the people that seen it, or like at least half of it, are people that already follow us. So the other half would be people that don't know. We just try to either convert them into a client or at least a follower. But with the regular posts, we only get anywhere from, it could get as low as like 60 likes up to like 500 likes, but it's not as great as the Reels. Even though when you check like how many people viewed it on our posts, we usually get around at least like 3,000 views. So those 3,000 views, at least over half of those views are from people that already follow us. So I feel like regular posts don't help you grow that much on Instagram, and the stories are more just for people that already follow us, current clients or potential clients that may have forgotten to get their vehicle detailed or book an appointment, or they want to check our schedule, what our schedule is looking like, or they plan on booking something soon. Kind of for them, just set reminders and show them like we're still in business doing vehicles and we have availability, or what cities we'll be in. That's what I usually use the stories for, to kind of let people know what we've done for the week or the day and where we're going to be, and if we have any spots available or like last minute availability. But other than that, that's about it. And then just to reshare, when people buy our products or people see us or tag us, we'll reshare things on our story. All right, well, there you guys have it. That's how we use Instagram, and that's how it helps my detailing business. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys utilize Instagram to help and grow your business. And remember, if you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.